Tired of those boring, default app icons? This video will show you how to transform your desktop with custom app icons in Windows 11, making your operating system look as unique as you are. First, let's start with the most common method: changing the icon via shortcut. Locate the app you want to change. In this case, let's change the File Explorer icon. Right-click on the app and select Open File Location. Now, in the File Explorer window that opens, right-click on the application's executable file, which will usually be recognizable by the X file extension, and select Create Shortcut. Windows will likely ask you to place the shortcut on the desktop. Select Yes. Now, right-click this new shortcut and select Properties. In the Properties window, navigate to the Shortcut tab here. Click on the Change Icon button. A window will appear with a selection of available icons. You can choose one of these, click OK and then Apply. If you want even more options for icon choices, download an icon pack from the internet. Download the icon pack and extract the image files. Browse through these images, usually with the Eco file extension, and select the icon you want. Click OK in the Change Icon window, and then Apply and OK in the Properties window. See the difference? Now you can replace all of your application's default icons with personalized images, and that's how you customize those dull-looking app icons. Customize away.